Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Cloudflare for caching and DDoS protection on VPS. Complete guide. Start by logging into your Cloudflare account. If you don't have an account, create one by providing your email and password. Once logged in, click on the Add a Site button. Enter your domain name in the provided field and click Add Site. Select the appropriate plan that suits your needs, including the free option. After you select your plan, Cloudflare will begin scanning your domain's DNS records. Review the DNS records that Cloudflare has listed to ensure they match your current setup. If any records are missing, add them manually. Next, Cloudflare will provide you with name servers to replace your current ones. Log into your domain registrar account and navigate to the DNS management section. Replace your existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. It may take some time for these changes to propagate. Once the DNS changes are active, return to your Cloudflare account dashboard. Navigate to the speed section to configure caching settings. Enable the automatic platform optimization feature for enhanced performance. Adjust the cache level, selecting standard for general use or no query string if your site doesn't rely on parameters. Set the browser cache expiration to a duration that suits your website. For optimal caching, enable Always Online to serve cached pages during downtime. Next, go to the Firewall section to configure DDoS protection. Enable the security level to high for better defense against attacks. Under the Tools tab, set up the IP access rules to block or challenge suspicious IPs. Consider enabling the bot fight mode to mitigate unwanted bot traffic. Adjust the rate limiting settings to prevent excessive requests to your server. Set thresholds that match your website's traffic patterns. Now, navigate to the Network section. Enable WebSockets if your application requires real-time communication. Activate HTTP/2 and TLS 1.3 for improved site performance and security. Finally, test your website to ensure all configurations work properly. Use tools like Geekmetrics or Google PageSpeed Insights to check for performance improvements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.